Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0. Navigate faster and better than before. By thoroughly covering your entire house with logical route planning instead of random paths, RoboVac doesn't miss a spot. 2 Chores Covered. With both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, RoboVac G30 Hybrid gives you 2 fewer chores to worry about. The ultra-strong 2000 PA suction picks up more debris across all surfaces, while the mopping module applies the finishing touch. Control at your fingertips. Take full control of RoboVac from your smartphone. Review cleaning history, set scheduled cleaning, switch modes, and more on the app. Set boundary strips. Exclude your kids' play area or your pet's bed. RoboVac uses specialized dual-hull sensors to detect the boundary strips you set, ensuring it only cleans the areas required. What you get: RoboVac G30 Hybrid, charging base, AC power adapter, 2 side brushes, additional unibody filter, cleaning tool, water tank, washable mopping cloth, 5 disposable mopping cloths, waterproof pad, 6.6 feet. Boundary strip, 2 adhesive tapes, 5 cable ties, 4 filter elements, user manual, quick start guide, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product with fabulous customer support. I was slightly disappointed when I received my RoboVac and the battery would not take a charge, but the customer service and support teams at eufy delighted me with their help. I was able to chat with someone online almost immediately who was very helpful diagnosing the issue. They gave me the details I needed to email support for a replacement. Support responded quickly and shipped me a new battery at no cost. My RoboVac is now happily cleaning my floors and terrorizing our family cats. Sometimes products come with defects, but how a company responds to those issues is how customer loyalty is built.